a sporty look without dimming your shine when you rock these sneakers by Vintage Havana. You'll absolutely adore this leather upper that gives you a very chic appearance, but also has some beautiful embellishments of jewels all over that star patch. You'll also get some separate jewels that'll give you a little bit more shimmer and shine, while having this super cool addition by the toes and at the heel counter that adds some color contrast. The classic lace-up closure will allow you to secure the fit, while some extra padding along that collar and sparkly tongue gives you a really nice cozy feel. Inside is a super soft lining that is guaranteed to keep you warm and snug, while the insole has some extra cushioning to give you some all-day comfort. You'll love the look of this midsole that'll also offer some shock absorption, while the outsole has quite a bit of texture and some ridges to give you lots of traction as you walk along.